PCB is the fundamental part of electronic equipment. Therefore, PCB quality is crucial to your electronic devices. In today's video, I will show you how we control our PCBA quality. PCBA quality control starts with a range of preparation procedures. Engineers analyze the customer's data and prepare internal design data for PCBA production. Our incoming QC checks each component for quality and quantity. The components are kept in the ESD area within a controlled environment. After the solder paste application, we use a 3D optical inspection machine to check the solder paste application quality. The inspection machine can evaluate the volume and the accuracy of the solder paste on the PCB contact pads. Our SND machine operator checks if each component is correct. The 10-zone refold oven can ensure the solder paste melts and fix each component well. After the refold oven, our AOI machine will scan the PCBA to ensure each PCBA is perfect. In addition to the AOI machine, we also use test fixtures to check the PCBA quality. That's our PCBA quality control. Please subscribe to our channel if interested in our PCBA manufacturing service. I will see you next time. Bye bye.